Hey guys, cha, I think le nto engikucacisa ukuthi labantu laba that you are seeing on the screen right now as in uHlathi, uTata kaXolani, no Dapsy Ntsi. Maybe you think that they've seen a ghost. Cha, akunawaspoki la. Basanda kubona impama esha uThumeka esha uXolani, and this is after uXolani emtshele ezikabhoqo like that. Guys, come on, let us quickly talk about this in here on this video. But before starting a video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video because I really enjoyed watching this clip. So let us quickly get into it. Now bengazi ukuthi izofika lana like the family breaking up, xabana wonke umuntu ungezwana, uThandeka xabana noThumeka, uHlathi xabana noTata kaXolani. I knew ukuthi lento lezofikelela lana, and ngathi qale early yonke le drama lena because guys, what is happening? So for people don't know what is happening there on Inimba. So what just happened ukuthi siqala ukuthola ukuthi uZethu ukhulelwe. uZethu kuvela wafanda ukuthi ukhulelwe and una 4+ months, meaning that almost 5 months pregnant. And uma ngabe una 5+ months pregnant kusho ukuthi leyo ngane ingane kalikamva obvious, and siyazi sonke ukuthi uThumeka was never going to accept that. Lento leqala ngokuthi uXolani fall in love with uZethu, and then uXolani's mom wangayingeni le nto leyo. What awukwazi ukuthandana noZethu, awathandana noZethu, and then uXolani wathi na mina ngizojola noZethu, mina mama yenze ngizwe ngawa. Now siyabuya uXolani uyabuza reporter ku family ukuthi baba uZethu to meet la, and meeting ngane kalikamva. Umndeni wonke was mad ukuthi kanjani ukuthi no meeting ngane, and obvious uThumeka was never going to accept it. Ubezophika athi ayona ingane lekamva yonke le nto leyo, so baselele. Now kune family meeting ngeke kuhlelwe phansi la kuyakhulunywa, uyasho lento zani uyasho uThumeka kubaselekile obvious to wena Xolani uyihlazo wayihlaza le family, how could you date uZethu wara athi Xolani semathandweni, all know what you do on All in Love. uXolani athi mamnci awukwazi unixela le nto leyo, remember ukuthi wena walala nendoda cousin wakho uZoleka. After that, on top of that, wathatha umntana wa sesabheke leyo ngizoyikhala qwa. I'm telling you guys, bengade ngibuke ile nto zani phone yami scrolling down ngizokhala qwa. Uma singiyajika looking at the reactions ngabona lama reactions that you are also seeing on the screen right now. Wonke umuntu was like, what is happening here? Wabesukuma uThandeka abafana. Bengisike mina uzosukuma ngempama naye. But mayisukuma wasukuma nawe abebhana emehlweni noThumeka. So we don't know what is going to happen. Maybe bazobambana or mhlawumbe uHlathi angazi bazolambula. Guys, let us quickly wait for another episode. I promise I'm gonna come back and update you on the next episode. Otherwise, kushubile, and I'm loving this. So do comment down in the comment section, guys, if you have watched the episode, or if you haven't, just watch the clip and then this was fun. So comment down in the comment section, share thoughts, share opinions, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.